Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a game-changing book that's sure to revolutionize your financial journey. It's called Money Shipping by the savvy investor and entrepreneur Cashius Lu. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is money shipping? Well, it's all about strategically reallocating your funds to maximize growth potential. Think of it as a roadmap, guiding you through the intricate world of finance and investing. Cashius Lu doesn't just offer theories. He shares real-world strategies that he's used to achieve success. From smart budgeting and saving to wealth creation, he covers it all. Imagine having a blueprint that demystifies investment opportunities, whether it's traditional stocks and real estate, or modern alternatives like cryptocurrency and crowdfunding. What sets this book apart is its practical advice and compelling real-world examples. Lu walks you through each investment option meticulously, empowering you to make informed decisions. It's like having a financial mentor right by your side. But beyond the tactics and strategies, money shipping is a call to action. Lu champions financial education and personal empowerment, urging you to seize control of your financial destiny. It's not just a manual, it's an invitation to elevate your financial literacy and achieve lasting wealth. So if you're ready to take charge and transform your financial future, this book is an indispensable resource. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. You can find a link to get your copy in the description below. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips and book reviews. Until next time, happy investing.